In this video, our group will be presenting the GD&T tolerancing for a ThinkPad wall plug adapter. For this project, we analyzed the C7 figure 8 connector plug and the power adapter. These parts are common in many laptop chargers and other electronics. The plug is inserted into the power adapter where the pins connect to holes inside of the plug. It is crucial that the plug and adapter are within their specified tolerances so that there is a minimum allowed movement once the plug is connected. When inserting the plug into the adapter, slight force is required due to the tight tolerances. If there is excess movement, the plug will not stay connected to the adapter and the charger will not be able to function properly. In order to control both parts, our group selected 3 datum planes, A, B, and C, that allow us to control our parts' form, orientation, and location. This is important because it allows the metal prongs on the adapter to align with the holes on the plug, ensuring a strong electrical connection. These 3 datums are labeled on each drawing and are used when selecting our geometry control tools. The geometry control tools we're selected for this project are flatness, parallelism, and position tools. The first tool we used to control the form of our parts was a flatness control on the mating face of the plug. If the mating face of the plug is not within the flatness tolerance of 0.01 millimeters, it will not mate properly with the innermost face of the adapter. This can cause the plug to not fully insert into the adapter and cause them to separate or prevent a connection between the metal prongs and the metal inside the plug holes. This happening makes the product dysfunctional, causing a negative experience for the user as they will not be able to charge their device. The second control tool we used to control location was the parallelism tool. This tool was used for a similar reason as the flatness tool, to ensure a proper snug connection and seal between the plug and adapter. The tolerance zone of 0.01 millimeters is established between 2 planes parallel to the selected datum planes. This control is important so that the user does not have to struggle with the insertion of the plug. The 2 parts can be flipped 180 degrees and connected interchangeably to allow for a better user experience. If the parts are outside of the tolerance zone, the plug will not fit inside the adapter as it will be too large or too small and separate. Finally, we utilize the position tool to control the orientation of our parts. The most important feature of our parts that allows them to function properly is the metal prongs coming from the power adapter and the metal plates located inside the plug holes. The position tool is paired with the size tolerance to locate where the prongs are and ensure that the orientation of the parts is correct, allowing them to insert into the plug holes. If the tolerances are not met for these features, the metal prongs and holes will not align properly, rendering the charger useless. Thank you.